Hello, my name is Cutcher. I'm with France Lighting Solutions, and this is your week's Minute to Win It. So this week I want to talk a little bit about labor cost. So a lot of people want to take a look at labor, and I keep hearing this over and over when I say, look, our total system put together, it's less wiring, less power supplies, less labor. The True Connect system it's a electrified power raceway, which means that it takes all of those extra pieces and parts you have to put in there for other people's products out of the equation, saving you tons of labor. And I keep hearing, well, my labor is hardly anything. Okay, let's review good basic accounting. Okay, guys. And if you feel like you already know this and it's being redundant, I apologize, but we got to get back to the basics. Just like Bobby Knight put, the basketball team in Indiana back on the basics, and look at how many championships and how great it became of a program, right? So let's get back to some basics here, because I think we need to. If you're paying someone, okay, you ready? $10, $15, $7, whatever it is an hour. You have to add for all the expenses that person brings to you in that hourly rate. You have to times that times what used to be in my day, 235% when I owned my shops. And you go, what? And you're like, insurance, workman's comp, all the different things that go around an individual and the expenses that evolve around them take and inflate that hourly rate quite a bit. I've just been informed by someone that does this on a regular basis in accounting that it's now 350% because of all the added costs of all those different things for your individual employee. So when you say your labor doesn't cost you much because you think you're paying them a cheap rate, which, number one, I'm not a big fan of. You should pay a fair wage, but hey, that everyone runs their business the way they want to. It's still costing you a lot more than what you think it is. So stop looking at labor as something that's disposable. It's just a little extra labor. I got to keep my guys busy. And start looking at one of the biggest expenses you have and how you can make sure every moment those people are working, you're able to leverage it to increase your margin, to increase sales, to just grow. So again, I'm pretty passionate about this because I just want to see our industry flourish. And it seems like I run across some that are blowing up because they get this. And then I run across a lot of smaller shops that don't get this. And they're sacrificing margin and profit and growth because of this mindset. So this is your week's Minute to Win It.